See, Shivaji statue जो आसा थितर, that has to be shifted to the original place where it was existing. I'm not against the statue. I'm against the place where it is. I'm तो आसूं न्ही म्हाका प्रॉब्लम ना. ती आदीं आशिल्लो न्हू रस्त्याच्या भायर थिंतर घालपाचो.
So, why suddenly change in stand when you promised to revoke the resolution?
We didn't change the resolution. Who said that we have changed the resolution? As I told you earlier, one person can't change the resolution. I have given on my own. I have not given on behalf of the 11 members.
So the chief premise today said that you have to learn English back again, go to school because you used some kind of that they used some
Apology and sorry.
Sorry.
Demolition remove.
It is left up to them. They should learn more than me. I think that they should go to school and then come, because they misguided the entire episode, like Zabardost and then Demolish. Where on my letter it was not there, and try to understand. I have issued notice under section 66, and what does the section 66 says? Tell them to go to the books of the Panchayat Raj Act and learn, and then come to me, and then ask questions with me.
So, being a sarpanch of BJP,
Yeah.
the BJP is polarizing the issue.
It is left up to them. Na. I don't polarize. Whoever is saying, they are polarizing it. BJP never polarizes.
खंय तरी आतां एलिगेशन येयला की खंय तरी सरपंचान इंग्लीश शिकपाची गरज आसा असं एक लेबलिंग दिला अशें दिसता.
कोण म्हणटा तांकां म्हणून न्ही, कित्याक म्हाका दिसता जो कोण सांगता न्हू ताका शिकोवंक जाय. म्हाका शिकपाची कसली गरज ना. हांव 35 वर्सां पंचायतीन आशिल्लो आनी आमी सदांच इंग्लिशीनूच कॉरेस्पॉन्डन्स केला. तांकां आतां कोणाक समजलें की 35 वर्सांनी हांव इंग्लीश शिकोवंक जाय म्हणून. इट इज लेफ्ट अप टू देम.
So yesterday there was a meeting in Panchayat. So what was discussed about this?
There was one resolution moved that we have to send this resolution to the higher up for the legal fraternity to give a legal color for that.